Hello everyone, this is Deepthi Verma in front of you, and today I'm just going to share about a very interesting, not interesting, but a very informative topic. That is about the mental disorder. We all persons suffer from two kinds of disorder, that is physical and mental disorder. But we focus on physical disorder, we are not focusing on mental disorder. But as the surveys increase, there are lots of number of mental disorder, and we say that we are suffering from schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder which having different stages, like schizophrenia of delusion, schizophrenia of infidelity, and schizophrenia of hallucination. What is hallucination? Hallucination means brahm, means sometimes we get the sound, we get the like someone is standing in front of us but no one was standing in front of us. That's our perception, that's our illusion, or that's we can say disorder. Another thing is that the schizophrenia of delusion means that you have something like someone is thinking negative of myself, means you are making your own perception in a negative way. And the schizophrenia of infidelity means that is there's a not mutual understanding, or you and your partner both having, you know, shock kind of thing, that both are doubting on each other, that he or she is ditching me. So these kind of mental disorders are there, and if you are suffering, then please consult with a doctor, consult with a psychiatrist, psychologist, because it's a common disorder and it is spreading to all person. If I ask you the question that have you ever doubt yourself? Obviously. And another thing that we are getting into negative delusion. Negative delusion means hota hai that we always think that our productivity level gets decreased. Although it happens with everyone, our productivity level degraded because of the social media, because of the lots of distractions are there. And apart from that, I must say that once you start accepting the way as you are, don't judge yourself on the basis of your own perception, because you are judging yourself on the basis of your own perception. No one is thinking negative of yourself, you are thinking negative of yourself. किसी ने बहुत शानदार बात कही कि हम वो नहीं हैं जो हम हैं, हम वो हैं जो हम सोचते हैं कि दूसरा सोचते हैं कि हम क्या हैं. समझ में आया? वी आर नॉट that person what we are thinking, we are that person what we made the perception of ourselves, that whatever the another person is thinking about me, so we are that. So change that perception, you are not that what you are thinking, you are that you are. Thank you.